Changing your profile picture on TripAdvisor is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the TripAdvisor website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or name, usually located in the upper right corner of the page, to access your profile settings. Step 3. Edit profile. Look for an option that says Edit Profile or Profile Settings. Click on it to enter the profile editing section. Step 4. Change profile picture. In the profile editing section, find the option to change or upload your profile picture. Click on the designated area to select a new image from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to finalize the update. Now your profile picture on TripAdvisor is updated. Enjoy sharing your travel experiences with your new image.